Hello?
Yes, hi. Have you by any chance lost your kitty?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Is someone there?
Have you by any chance lost your kitty?
The black cat. And then
Yes,
I also
hi.
have a white cat. Her name is Lola, but she should be inside.
Well, I have her.
You have Lola.
Furry and brown.
Yeah, she's and she has a pink collar on with a bell.
Well, I have her.
Okay, where do you live?
Yes, I'm just going to feed my fish and then I'll go out and wait for you.
Hmm?
Yes, I'm just going to feed my fish and then I'll go out and wait for you. See you then.
Well, I'm in St. Louis.
Right away.
Hello?
Can you find the cat?
Where are you, sir?
This is Fred Rogers.
And you have my cat Lola?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm at work in St. Louis right now. Can I get her from you later?
No.
What do you mean, no?
Joe called and said that there was a man here who had some wonderful horns.
Who had what?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Oh, sure. I'm not in any hurry.
Are you there?
Yeah. Yes.
Where are you, sir?
Could I help you?
You called me about my cat?
Do you know what a pediatrician is?
Hmm?
Well, I have her.
You have my cat.
Yes.
When can I pick her up?
Right away. Right now, if you
Where
can.
are you located?
Oh, thank you.
This sounds like a prank or something.
Hello?
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 Hello? Can I get your phone number?
No.
Who is this?
I think you must want 1436870.
What?
See you then. Bye.
Hello?
Joe Negri.
Who is this?
My grandmother Rogers taught me how to answer the phone. Hello?
Do you have a phone number?
I think you must want 1436870. Yeah.
14367.
Yes.
What's your name?
This is Fred Rogers.
Where do you live, Fred?
Lady Elaine.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.